Hi, I'm Kayana, and this is the new BMW iX xDrive 60.
Hi, I'm Florian, and this is the new BMW iX M70. There's also the new BMW iX xDrive 45, which brings us to the first piece of news: new model classifications for the entire BMW iX range.
They all have an updated design and digital offer. And let me just say, yet another revolution in vehicle access and personalization. So we're going to show you why there's a lot of joy ahead.
Exactly. Their driving and charging technologies have been updated. Among the new model range, there's up to 485 kilowatts of power, a new maximum driving range of over 700 kilometers, and a towing capability of 2.5 tons. Pretty impressive for an electric sports activity vehicle. What a long word. And you'll find that these are not the only features that are calming and exciting at the same time. Ready, Kayana?
Always. Let's start with the design. Most eye-catching thing first, there's now BMW Iconic Glow as an option.
New kidney design on all model variants. Extra powerful on the iX M70. New LED front light signatures. Well, actually, I'd call them details, but they make up a great part of what's new about the new BMW iX.
The bumper design has always been an indicator for different BMW model variants. All versions of the new BMW iX literally take a step up. More body color and a surfacing that we know from the predecessor Sport model variant for the new Standard model.
There's an all-new M Sport package with the new front skirt design.
And a new rear skirt design,
which is also equipped on the new iX M70. Now don't tell me you're not reminded of the new M High Performance models. Still not satisfied? Then go for the M Sport Package Pro with a kidney maxing out sportiness, red brake calipers and darkened front and rear lights. Sporty, classy, cool. The new BMW iX always looks the right shade of desirable in this new BMW individual paint Frozen Deep Grey. And in combination with this 23-inch wheel design, which is, by the way, also great for aerodynamics.
Or how about this new Arctic Race Blue? Any news on the inside?
Absolutely. The BMW M interior designs. M Sport interior in Atlas Grey and black. Look at these dark silver highlights. The new M multifunctional seats and the M steering wheel. I have to say, I feel sporty already.
Or the sweet interior in two different color schemes. So, what do you think of the rear?
I think it's mega. Cozy.
Right? And a lot of space.
Absolutely. Just as ever.
And there's quite a lot of practical space. Florian, how many bags did you bring?
Oh, you don't want to know. Anyways, 500 liters of boot volume and a foldable rear seat bench.
Let's talk driving. Facts, figures, technologies. Fun. Do you know what a silicon carbide inverter is?
I have absolutely no idea.
I can explain another time. All you need to know is that that's what makes the all-new high-voltage system and the electric drivetrain of the new BMW iX more efficient.
Which is why the iX xDrive 60 has over 700 kilometers of range and at the same time a new system power of 400 kilowatts.
Among other things, the new BMW iX M70 has got over 600 kilometers of range, it has 485 kilowatts of power and up to 1,100 Newton meters of torque.
The iX xDrive 45 also has a new high-voltage battery with a capacity of 95 kilowatt hours. It's quicker, it's more powerful, it's got more range, and it offers improved charging performance over the previous Standard model.
All in all, the new BMW iX can expand on its strengths, exciting driving dynamics and the right charging and driving range figures for a practical electric sports activity vehicle.
What's missing from the classic triad of BMW driving properties? Well, comfort. And the new BMW iX couldn't offer more of it. Or the latest driver assistance systems like Driving Assistant Professional or the Highway Assistant for hands-free driving up to 130 kilometers an hour, which is available as a BMW Connected Drive upgrade. Or you can park the new BMW iX automatically and remotely using Parking Assistant Professional.
It's not just the driver assistance systems that make the new BMW iX as safe as can be. There are also functions like adaptive LED headlights with the city light function that dims the lights at lower speeds. When the BMW iX first came out, it was a real technological trailblazer on the driving side of things and especially on the digital side.
And it keeps going. The shy-tech features like the buttons integrated into the surface finishing or the hardly notable air vents also make the new BMW iX something quite special. Furthermore, it comes with the latest BMW operating system 8.5. The user interface and experience feel pretty much mobile device-like.
Everything from the BMW Maps navigation, with all the support for charging you could want, to the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, right at your fingertips and ready for voice interaction.
And the BMW Connected Drive Store holds an expanded offer. Need some entertainment for a charging break? Then watch a video with the new streaming apps.
You can use your smartphone to play video games with Air Console.
Or anytime you need it, just shut off what's distracting you and switch to the silent mode.
And now to more great news coming with the new BMW iX, the BMW Digital Key Plus.
You don't have to say it. Of course you know the BMW Digital Key. But here's a question for you. Do you always carry around cash or do you use your smartphone to pay in stores and for services?
And if you use your smartphone to access and start your car, then you probably also leave your physical car key at home, right?
BMW is making the digital key the ultimate choice for vehicle access. The BMW iX is the first model delivered with one physical key and two NFC cards. The setup card
and the service card. The service card works like your physical vehicle key. You can leave it deactivated in your car and leave it with service personnel for service appointments, valet parking, or in case of a breakdown.
You use the setup card to activate your BMW Digital Key Plus.
But that's far from everything. Using this, you can roll all your connection setup processes into one, between your BMW ID, your My BMW app, and your vehicle.
Handling this doesn't get much easier. The setup card is a second proof of ownership besides the physical key, which contains your vehicle identification data. So don't keep it in the car. You just hold it to your smartphone, and a few clicks later, your car is linked to your BMW ID and the My BMW app. The BMW Digital Key Plus is set up and paired with your car, and your BMW ID is added to your car with your personal settings.
Done. From now on, as you know it, you can use your smartphone or your Apple Watch as your vehicle key with its features without further setup steps. How magical is that? And there's more, like the magic of sharing. Of course, you can share your BMW Digital Key with other users. Depending on device, you can even set up different rights and restrictions. What do you think? Let us know in the comments who you'd like to share your BMW Digital Key Plus with. So we've got more driving dynamics, enhanced long-distance travel capabilities, and new flexibility and comfort in terms of charging and assistance. What do you think of the new BMW iX?
I think I also like all the new infotainment and connected features. And I know for sure that this new model leads up to a lot of new things coming up from BMW.
Is there anything left to say, really?
I guess no. Maybe stay tuned.
See you next time.